how to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. First of all, head over to your application Instagram and make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on your profile at the bottom right corner and then tap on this three line at the top right corner. Head over to Settings and Privacy. Move into Account Center. Inside Account Settings, head over to Personal Details. Click on Account Ownership and Control. Head over to Deactivation or Deletion. Move into your Instagram account. As we're looking forward on how to deactivate your Instagram account, choose Deactivate Account and then tap on Continue. It will land you on this page. Enter your password of your Instagram account. Once you have entered the password, tap on Continue. Right here, you need to state the reason why you want to deactivate your account. You can select any of the reason from here and then tap on Continue. Now for the last time, if you tap on Deactivate Account, your Instagram account will be temporarily deactivated. And you can reactivate your account anytime you want to. All you want to do is enter the username and the password of your Instagram account and then your account will be reactivated. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to deactivate your Instagram account. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for staying with us till the end.